Here's a message. Never be afraid of artificial intelligence. You can use it. You can learn. In fact, the top percent of the top percent with this wave of technology, it's a higher percentage gain than ever seen before. It's that gain of a gain, that derivative, that is the actually accelerating. So study artificial intelligence, use it, don't fear it. As far as making money, finding jobs, delivery service, skills with your hands, with your brain. Use the resources that you have. Study as many subjects as you find interesting. Take the time to just dive in and research, whatever it is that you want to come across. Type in YouTube. As far as the YouTube channels getting demonetized for AI, I'm not sure I agree right now. To some degree, everyone needs to be a piece of the pie. I feel that, but I don't want to be afraid of using it myself. I find it interesting, a mix. You're adding your own value, just like if people talk about TV shows and movies and stuff. You can use clips. You just gotta add your own value to it, which is why I support artificial intelligence.